Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can just fix your display is not working on your Realme device. If you see you are doing swipe down and it is not still working, how you can just fix it. Display is not working, touch is not working, how you can fix it? Just you have to first uh, restart your phone like this, and it is on. Hello friends, by switching off, if you have some lag issue in your phone, how you can just fix it? First you have to open screen like this, tap on this and simply make the password, then go to the settings in your smartphone like this, swipe up by two fingers, then go to setting and then go to just swipe down like two fingers. You can see friends, go to additional settings, and then you see accessibility option. Then you have to just go to vision, double tap to open it and one tap to just select it. Just turn off the settings like this, stop, and it will definitely work on a Realme device. Off the setting, and then you have to second time you have to just restart your phone. Your screen lagging problem will be fixed in your Realme device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. See you next time.